Welcome to MASSO Tech Tips. In this video, we'll show you 3 ways to connect your controller to Wi-Fi. First, how to connect to a standard Wi-Fi network, then how to set up a fixed IP connection, and finally, we'll show you how to create your own MASSO Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Connecting to a standard Wi-Fi network. Turn on your MASSO controller. At the top right of the screen, you'll find the Wi-Fi button. This can be found on the F2, F3, and F6 pages. This button also works as a status indicator. Tap it to open the Wi-Fi settings. Enter your network name exactly as it appears, paying close attention to case and special characters. Then, type in your security key and press Connect. Above the Connect button, you'll see the status fields. For network, the status will move through disconnected, connecting, getting IP address, and finally connected. For my workshop, the status will show disconnected, connecting, authenticating, and then connected. When your network is connected, the Wi-Fi indicator button at the top right of the screen will turn orange. From then on, each time you power on your MASSO, it will automatically reconnect, and the button will turn orange to confirm the connection. Press Exit to close the Wi-Fi settings screen, connecting with a fixed IP address. If you need to use a fixed IP, open the Wi-Fi settings by pressing the Wi-Fi button. Tick the box next to fixed IP address, then enter your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Press Connect to save and activate the settings, creating your own MASSO Wi-Fi network. MASSO controllers can also host their own Wi-Fi network. To enable this, open the Wi-Fi settings and tick Make My MASSO Network. Enter a unique network name and password, then press Enable. The network status will change from Not Enabled to Network Ready. My workshop will remain disconnected, since there's no internet connection when using this mode. And that's it. Whether you're joining a standard network, setting up a fixed IP, or creating your own, your MASSO controller is ready to connect over Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you're notified of all new MASSO tech tips.